Have you ever wondered how a simple herb might improve your daily routine and overall well-being? Today, we're going to look at the power of rosemary tea and why you should make it a daily practice. Welcome to Healthy Hub Tube, and today I'm going to discuss with you 10 convincing reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. Rosemary has a long history of therapeutic usage going back to ancient cultures. The Greeks, Romans, and Egyptians prized rosemary's medicinal virtues. They utilized it to enhance memory, alleviate muscle discomfort, and strengthen the immune system. Drinking rosemary tea every day provides several health benefits. It is known to aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and boost memory and attention. Rosemary tea also contains antioxidants, which help protect the body from free radical damage, boosting general health. Now, let's look at the top 10 reasons why you should drink rosemary tea every day. Number 1. Rich in antioxidants. Rosemary tea is high in antioxidants, making it a beneficial beverage for your health. Antioxidants are substances that help to protect your body from free radicals. Free radicals are unstable chemicals that can cause oxidative stress, resulting in cell damage and other health consequences. Drinking rosemary tea increases your intake of antioxidants, which help fight oxidative stress and maintain healthy cells. This lowers the chance of chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and neurological disorders. Including rosemary tea in your daily routine can be a simple but effective method to improve your general health and protect your body from the negative effects of oxidative stress. Number 2. Improves digestion. Rosemary tea is great for improving digestion since it stimulates bile production. Bile is a digestive fluid produced by the liver that aids in the breakdown of fats in diet, allowing our bodies to absorb nutrients more efficiently. When you drink rosemary tea, your liver produces more bile, which speeds up digestion. This not only aids in the digestion of fatty foods, but also helps to prevent typical digestive problems including indigestion, bloating, and gas. Rosemary tea improves the overall efficiency of your digestive system, allowing food to pass smoothly through your intestines, reducing discomfort and encouraging improved gut health. Incorporating rosemary tea into your daily routine might be a simple and natural method to maintain your digestive system functioning properly and comfortably. Number 3. Boosts immune system. One of the wonderful benefits of increasing your immune system is the potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory qualities. These natural substances help to enhance your body's defenses. Antioxidants protect your cells from free radical damage, but anti-inflammatory medicines reduce inflammation, which can weaken your immune response. Together, they provide a strong barrier against sickness. This means you're less likely to become infected, and if you do, the severity of colds and flu is usually significantly lower. Enhancing your immune system not only makes you feel healthier generally, but it also allows you to recover faster when you become ill. Consuming antioxidants and anti-inflammatory substances can help you maintain a robust and resilient immune system. Number 4. Enhances brain function. Rosemary is more than simply a tasty plant. It also has strong brain-boosting properties. Research has found that rosemary helps improve memory, making it simpler to recall information and stay focused. This herb includes carnosic acid, which has been associated to protecting brain cells and lowering the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like Alzheimer's. Furthermore, the fragrance of rosemary has been shown to increase mental clarity and overall cognitive efficiency. Including rosemary in your diet can assist to keep your brain bright and functioning properly. Whether added to food or consumed as a tea, rosemary is a simple and natural way to improve cognitive functions and keep the brain healthy. Number 5. Supports respiratory health. The extraordinary anti-inflammatory qualities of rosemary contribute to its beneficial effects on respiratory health. These characteristics help to reduce inflammation in the airways, which is a common cause of respiratory problems such as coughs, colds, asthma, and congestion. By lowering inflammation, rosemary can help people suffering from these disorders breathe more easily and comfortably. Whether it's relaxing a persistent cough or relieving asthmatic chest tightness, rosemary acts as a natural cure. Its capacity to combat inflammation not only relieves symptoms, but also promotes overall respiratory health. So, including rosemary into your routine may result in fewer sick days and improved lung function, encouraging a healthier respiratory system in the long term. It's hair and skin health. Rosemary tea is more than just a tasty beverage. It's a secret weapon for healthier hair and skin. Let's look at how it works its magic. First and foremost, rosemary tea increases blood flow to your scalp, resulting in improved circulation. This increase in circulation prevents dandruff by keeping your scalp nourished and hydrated. Furthermore, rosemary tea has antioxidants that benefit your hair and skin. They protect cells from free radical damage, supporting healthier hair growth and a glowing complexion. So, not only does drinking rosemary tea feel refreshing, but it also prepares the way for lush locks and radiant skin. It's like having a beauty treatment in a teacup. Number 7. Regulates blood sugar levels. Rosemary, a fragrant herb frequently used in cooking, helps to regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Rosemary contains chemicals such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which contribute to these effects. These chemicals boost insulin sensitivity, which makes cells more receptive to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar. By increasing insulin sensitivity, rosemary helps to manage diabetes and avoid insulin resistance, a disease in which cells become less receptive to insulin signals. This herb can be a useful addition to the diet for people wishing to improve blood sugar control and lower the risk of diabetes complications. Including rosemary in meals or teas can give these advantages in a simple and pleasant way, promoting overall health and wellness. Number 8. Relieves stress and anxiety. In terms of stress management, rosemary emerges as a calming ally. Its fragrance essence has extraordinary soothing qualities that softly affect the neurological system. When inhaled, rosemary's aroma functions as a soothing balm, relieving stress and anxiety. This herb's aroma has been demonstrated to have a calming effect, which can assist to reduce the stresses of modern life. Incorporating rosemary into your environment, whether through essential oils or fresh sprigs, introduces a natural cure for stress and anxiety into your everyday routine. Embracing the benefits of rosemary provides more than just a temporary respite. It cultivates a long-term sense of peace and well-being, making it an important tool in the search of mental and emotional balance. Number 9. Supports weight loss. Reason 9 discusses how rosemary tea can help with weight loss efforts. Rosemary tea boosts your metabolism and helps your body burn fat more efficiently. When combined with a nutritious diet and regular exercise, this metabolic boost can help you lose weight more successfully. By including rosemary tea into your daily routine, you'll give yourself a natural advantage in your weight loss efforts. It's a simple but effective lifestyle change that can help you manage your weight and improve your overall health. So if you need a little extra help reaching your weight loss objectives, try adding a cup of rosemary tea to your daily routine. Number 10. Anti-inflammatory and pain relief. Rosemary's significant anti-inflammatory characteristics make it an effective natural remedy for inflammation and pain relief. When administered, it can help reduce swelling and pain in the muscles and joints. This makes it very effective at relieving headaches, muscle aches, and joint inflammation. The active chemicals in rosemary, such as rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, suppress inflammatory enzymes in the body, offering relief without the negative effects commonly associated with medicines. Incorporating rosemary into your wellness routine can be as simple as making a relaxing tea or utilizing it in aromatherapy. Whether you have a tension headache or muscular soreness from activity, rosemary can provide a natural, moderate source of comfort and relaxation. Conclusion. To summarize, drinking rosemary tea on a daily basis provides numerous health and wellness benefits. It's a superfood that improves memory and focus while also helping digestion and lowering inflammation. I encourage you to try rosemary tea. It is a simple addition to your daily routine with several benefits. So why not boil a cup today and discover the benefits for yourself? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more useful information. We'd love to hear about your rosemary tea experiences and views, so please post them below. Let us work together to spread the goodness. Finally, I'd want to thank everyone who watched this video. Your support means everything. Stay tuned for more great material on health and well-being. Don't forget to press the notification bell so you never miss an update. Until next time, be careful and be healthy.